are you seeing that's the coolest thing you've seen innovatively lately? What's the coolest thing that you are trying out that maybe we don't know about yet?
It's the supply chain. There is incredible stuff in front of us with automated storage and retrieval systems back in distribution centers and fulfillment centers. I was in a fulfillment center in Chicago last week that is very automated. Still with a lot of associates doing a great job, but it's very different than what we had in the past. Last mile delivery, including the work we're doing with drones, we're delivering all the way into the refrigerator. In many of our markets, like at our house, if I'm traveling, we can have our groceries waiting in our refrigerator in our garage when we get home. It's fantastic. So that whole suite, that supply chain innovation, robotics, the way we put data to work, that's going to unlock a lot of value for the company going forward.
Yeah, I was just reading that you guys are going to be the ones that take over. It's not going to be the companies that we're using now, these side companies, whether that be a Fresh Direct or somebody else.
These big super centers close to customers within 10 miles of 90% of America, 5 miles of 70% of America, that have a broad assortment at Walmart prices with last mile delivery, create a great opportunity for us to do deliveries for other people and create more route density and save money.